Assembling your VeggieBullet for spiralizing is easy. It all starts with the power base. Next, place the spiralizer base on the power base. You can tell which one you need as it's embossed on the bottom. Line up the arrow on the spiralizer to the unlock icon on the power base. Turn it clockwise to lock it in. Next, insert the spiralizer basket. Align the basket with the center spindle. Now we're going to attach our spiralizer blade. Using the finger grips, carefully align the blade with the notches. Now we're going to fasten our spiralizer lid to the back of the spiralizer base. The spiralizer lid has "For Spiralizing" embossed on the top. Squeeze the hinge pin and attach the lid at a 90-degree angle. Release it to lock it in place. Secure the spiralizer lid by hooking the front safety clasp over the lid and press to lock. Next, assemble the pusher and place it into the spiralizer lid. Now your VeggieBullet is ready for action. Enjoy!